How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can fix your HP printer not printing a black ink. It's extremely simple to do this. Basically, the first thing that you want to check is your cartridge. You want to remove and clean the clogged black ink cartridge using an isopropyl alcohol and wipes or distilled water. That is the main reason on why this is happening. And while you're at it, you also want to clean where the cartridge is inserted, because in most cases, if your cartridge is clogged, it will leak into where it's inserted. Now, if this did not fix the problem, the next thing that you want to do is to simply purchase a brand new blank ink cartridge, because in most cases that cartridge have been ruined and you won't be able to use it or repair it yourself. So the best thing to do is to just purchase a new one and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guides to everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.